Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today, we will discuss about the Phase 1 of PFRDA grade exam. The exam was divided into two papers, with Paper 1 and Paper 2 having main syllabus. Attendance at most of the centers was more than 50%. Now coming to the level of the exam. In Paper 1, general awareness was too specific, therefore, it should be classified as moderate to difficult. While Quant section was doable, having predictable questions based on previous year questions and IBPS pattern. English section was bit moderate, as per some students, as options were confusing. Comprehension was lengthy here also. Reasoning section had various types of questions. Here again, students had to target the questions they had to attempt. Before we move on to paper 2, do tell us in comments section how many questions you attempted in both papers and your expected score. Now, coming to paper 2, it was covering all the topics with many direct and factual questions from Companies Act. Concept clarity was important for accounting, costing, and economics. Management and pension sections were manageable, while finance section had to be carefully handled. Before coming on to the cutoff, we want to tell that many students have faced issues because of the weather. Now, coming to the cutoff. It will be around 30 marks for paper 1 and around 40 marks for paper 2. Total can be around 70 marks, though it may go bit less also. Category-wise, it will reduce further. We want to inform you all that RBI and other important notifications are coming soon, so we will bring important content on this channel, so subscribe this channel now.